Hi, Keith here. Thanks very much for deciding to do your GoalDriver profile or snapshot. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the process on how to get the best out of going through the assessment. So I want to give you 4 key steps to take. The first is put in your name and your email address. That's really simple. The second that I want you to do is I want you to pick an area. Now there are 5 areas to choose from: health and well-being, financial success, career success, business growth, and obviously your personal life. So pick one of those areas. That's step number 2. Step number 3 is really simple. I want you to think of your number 1 goal you would like to achieve in that particular area. Think about, if you could achieve 1 goal in the next 12 months in that particular one of those 5 areas I just spoke about, what would that goal be? Now, step number 4 is to actually do the assessment. There are 10 blocks of least like, most like that you desire. There's 4 sets of words, a little explanation under each of those words that you go through. Now, the feedback we've had from people is, Keith, I actually want 3 out of the 4. It's hard to decide. So the first thing I would do is look at read through all 4 words, statements, and then what I'd like you to do is just say which is definitely not applicable, and then which would you desire, and which would definitely really doesn't matter. You'll also find that as you're looking through the words, some of those areas, like for example, one of the words is passionate. When I go through and do my assessment, I already know I'm passionate. I already know it's part of my DNA. So in essence, it's not something I desire. But when you're doing those words, the thing I'd recommend is keep top of mind the area that you're focused on, and more importantly, the goal you want to achieve, because each one of those words are emotion based. So hopefully that gives you a bit of a idea of how to best do it. Once again, name and email address. Second is pick the area out of the 5. Third is pick a goal that you want to achieve. Then go through and do the assessment, and making sure that you keep top of mind the goal that you want to achieve in the area that you decide. Keep that top of mind, because that will give you a distinction when you look at which is the right word for you. Enjoy, and definitely send me some feedback, keith@keithabraham.com.au, and tell me what you love about the GoalDriver process. Thanks very much. Bye now.